is compound interest and how does it work? Albert Einstein described compound interest as the eighth wonder of the world, but what exactly is it? Compound interest is the interest that you receive on a principal amount, including the accumulated interest from previous periods of a deposit or loan. Simply put, it is the interest gained on money that was already earned as interest or the interest on interest. In contrast, simple interest is only paid on the principal amount and not on any accrued interest. In practice, compound interest is more common in comparison to simple interest. For example, say you deposit $1,000 in a savings account at the bank and you leave it there for 20 years. Your bank pays a 5% interest rate and interest is compounded annually. Without doing anything else, in 20 years, you will have $2,712.64. But if you are going for maximum profits, you should consider putting an extra $100 per month in that savings or stock exchange account. Say you deposit $1,000 and compound it with an extra $100 per month. Without doing anything else, in 20 years, you will have $43,816.01.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like this video to support us in making financial content. Please check out our website yourstocknews.com. Subscribe for more.